Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello friends, welcome to the 22nd English episode of our Brahmastra series. We wish all our viewers a very happy Diwali. May the brightness of slimmering lanterns always stay in your life and make you bright. To get notifications on all future episodes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So friends, the Brahmastra for today is: I've never bought a stock unless, in my view, it was on sale. So friends, what does it really mean when we say that a stock is on sale? Does it mean that the stock is trading much below its peak price? Not at all. Let's understand it with an example. So Yes Bank is in news nowadays. The peak price of this stock was 400 rupees and it has been falling since then. 400, 300, 200, 150. So does it mean that the stock is on sale? Now since the time this stock has been falling, our clients have been asking us if they should be buying it, and we have always given them no for an answer. And at a broader level, the reasons are pretty clear. Promoter stake in this company has decreased significantly. Their holding is around 13% only. Promoters have pledged 35% of their holdings. Return on equity is just 13% for the last 3 years. Company has liabilities worth 6.5 lakh crores. Friends, there are many more reasons, but now tell us, is this stock really on sale? You can definitely buy this one for short-term spikes, but at least for now, it doesn't look fundamentally good and it's not worth taking a risk by investing in it. Now, let's talk about Graphite India Limited. The peak price of this stock was 1100 and is now trading at around 285 rupees. Now let's try to know a few things about this company. The company is debt free. Stock is providing a good dividend yield of around 18%. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of around 40%. Company has good consistent profit growth of around 97% over 5 years. The stock is trading at 1.08 times its book value. That's nice. Company has a good return on equity. 3 years ROE is around 55%. Now this stock should be analyzed in detail further, but at a broader level, this stock is looking good to buy and is really on sale. Friends, so the whole point is, as John Neff says, that we should really buy stocks which are on sale. If you are able to do that, you will really make money in the stock markets. Understanding that a stock is really on sale is a skill you need to be good at. So friends, never forget this Brahmastra. We once again wish you a very happy Diwali. Next week, we will load you again with yet another Brahmastra. Until then, happy investing and a happy Diwali.